Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you've been watching my video series, how to put on eyeshadow when you wear glasses. This is, I think, my fourth video that I'm doing, and tonight we're going to do a smoky eye look. So this is if you have a date and you're ready to go out, and let's just get a nice smoky look eye going. And we will be working with Younique's Addiction Palette number 4. So number 4 is a really great palette, all of them are, but this one has awesome blues and awesome kind of almost brassy browns. They're really beautiful. So today we will be working with Honest, Cheerful, Triumphant, and Tender. So we're gonna make a really beautiful smoky eye look. Again, you guys, I need to keep my glasses on while I'm applying my eyeshadow. I'm legally blind. I have a minus 13.5, minus 9.5, and watch my other YouTube videos. I do a natural neutral look, a nice purple look, kind of a sunset look, and now we're doing a night out look, and so let's get to that. Now, the tools that I'll be using today are our liner shader brush. So on this side you have an eyeliner side, and this side you have a shader side that you apply your eyeshadow with. We're also going to be working with our blending brush. Now this is a great brush, absolutely love it, so soft. Both of them are nice, but really love this one. And so let's get into our eyeshadows here. So the first one we're going to be working with is Cheerful. So that's your second blue here. And I'm going to dip just the tip and a little bit of the sides. I'm not going to go too far down onto this, and you just dip into these, don't scrape them. They're really great eyeshadows, you don't need to do that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this onto about 1/3 of your eye in the corner here, and we're gonna go into the crease as well. I'm gonna get a little bit more just on the tip of my brush, just like that. We're gonna go into the crease just a little bit and get that blue onto there. Really beautiful. And then the next color we want to go with is Honest. Now this is a nice kind of a silvery blue. So it's really pretty. So we're just gonna dip into that. This you're gonna dip more of your brush into because we need to get a little bit more coverage with this. So we're gonna go right into the corner of your eye, over to the other color. You want to make sure you get right onto that lash line too. Just like that. Now we're going to take our blending brush and we're just going to blend a little bit outward so that they just fade into each other. The next color we want to work with is Triumphant, and Triumphant is a really nice dark navy. So you just want to just dip just the tip in. And you want to go over a little bit where you put Cheerful in, but you don't want to go quite as far, so get it into the corner and again into your crease line, just like that. Now this one we're going to blend from this side over, and this helps create that smoky eye look that you want. And fan it out a bit in your crease, just like that, you guys. And then clean off the tip of your brush really well, because next we're going into our lightest color, and you don't want to get the really dark blue mixed in. So with Tender, we're going to go up into our brow line. So again, we just dip into that one and go up into our brow line like that. And you also want to get just the corner of your eye, just like that. It's a really, really beautiful, beautiful look. And again, you want to blend these together. So we'll start in the corner and just blend them out, just like that, you guys. Really nice. So the next thing that we want to do is our eyelashes. And you guys aren't going to see me put this on, but this is our lash serum. So I put this on at night, and I put about halfway up my lashes, up to the top, and then again the same thing on the bottom. And this helps to regrow your lashes, just helps your lashes really become thicker and natural and wonderful. So if you've damaged your eyelashes at all, this is really great. You find you don't have a lot of eyelashes, you find they stick together, you want to use this. It's really, really great to use. The other thing that I'm going to use is the lash primer. And this is one that has vitamin E in it, so it nourishes and conditions your eyelashes, and it helps the mascara go on more smoothly. It helps to separate your eyelashes, and because of the shape of the brush, you guys, you can see that it's a curved brush. This actually helps to curl your lashes. Now I'm going to take my glasses off for this part and get really up close and personal with you guys so that you can see me putting it on. And I can see my eye as well if I get this close to the camera. Just put it on and put onto your bottom lashes like that. And then the next thing we want to put on is our 4D mascara. Now, this is what Younique is known for, is the 4D mascara. This is the one that makes your eyes just lengthen, makes them long, thick, full. This is the most amazing mascara I've ever tried. I'm allergic to a lot of other mascaras, and so I was quite afraid of this when it first got my kit, and I thought I would hate it, but in all honesty, you guys, I absolutely love it. You can wear it all day. You don't even feel it on. So this one, you wiggle it and roll it up. You don't just go ahead and put it on. You do have to do this little technique of wiggling and rolling to get the full lash length that you want. Just like that, you guys. I'll get my bottom lashes too. So you guys can really see the difference between my natural eyelash and the one with the 4D. It's absolutely fantastic. I love it. I love these products. So I am gonna go ahead and do my other eye. I'm not gonna show it on camera because I always cover up my eye and you guys can't really see anything. I've tried changing the camera angle. It just doesn't work with me having to use my right hand on my left eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly turn the camera off and I'll come back in a few minutes, you guys, okay? So hi guys, I'm back. I've done both eyes now and that's all you have to do. For a nice smoky eye look. The blues are absolutely gorgeous in this palette. So again, you guys, I worked with Younique palette number 4 and it comes in this beautiful case. And it's actually magnetic, you guys, so when you close it, it's just like that. I love that. And so with these colors, you get 3 blues and then the browns are kind of like a golden brassy kind of browns. They're really nice to work with. So this is an absolutely beautiful palette, you guys. We also worked with our liner shader brush, blending brush, lash serum that you didn't see me put on, but this is what I use at night and highly, highly recommend it. The lash primer, which conditions your eyes with vitamin E, and this is absolutely fantastic before you put your mascara on, really helps to get the lashes fantastic. And of course our 4D mascara. This is our best seller, you guys. This is what you want if you buy anything from Younique. It is this. This is what they are known for, and it is absolutely fantastic. So I'll do some pictures in the end here and show you guys what it looks like at the end. I really love it. So there you guys go, a nice blue smoky eye look for you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.